Stop stressing and start thriving. Discover how wellness workshops can transform your team. Wellness workshops are here to educate, engage, and empower your team to live healthier lives. Topics like stress management, nutrition, fitness, and mental well-being are all covered, helping employees stay productive and energized. Health Fairs Direct specializes in creating customized wellness events that fit your company's unique needs. From planning to execution, they handle it all, making it easier for you to focus on what matters most: your team. These events foster a positive work environment, boost teamwork, and address every aspect of well-being: physical, mental, emotional, and even financial. It's all about sustainable lifestyle changes that benefit everyone. Post-pandemic, more companies are embracing wellness programs to enhance employee health, morale, and retention. Health Fairs Direct ensures these programs align with your company culture for a strong return on investment. Start building a healthier work environment today. Visit healthfairsdirect.com to learn more.